Here are 3 AI tools that will completely transform the way you work in 2025. Let's dive in. Number 1. AI agents. These are not chatbots, they're virtual employees. They plan tasks, execute them, research information, write emails, analyze data, and generate reports, all without supervision. One person with an AI agent can do the work of an entire team. This is the biggest shift in productivity in the last 2 decades. Imagine having a personal assistant that never needs a break, capable of handling multiple tasks simultaneously, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. As AI agents become more sophisticated, your work environment will evolve, enabling you to achieve more in less time. Now, let's talk about number 2, no-code automations powered by AI. You set up a workflow once, and AI runs it automatically, 24/7. Customer support, invoicing, scheduling, reporting, everything happens on its own. It's like running a business that works even when you sleep. This technology removes the necessity for technical coding skills, empowering anyone to create tailored systems that enhance efficiency and streamline operations. With AI managing repetitive tasks, you can dedicate more energy to innovation and strategy, leading to exponential growth. Lastly, we have number 3, AI Copilots. Your personal expert for everything. They create presentations in minutes, analyze complex data in seconds, generate ideas instantly, write content, design visuals, and help you make better decisions. It's like having a second brain that never gets tired. The cognitive capabilities of these AI copilots will transform how you approach your projects and challenges. Each interaction with your AI copilot can lead to insights that would take traditional methods significantly longer to uncover. The future of work is changing right now, not tomorrow. The people who learn to use AI today will gain an advantage that others won't be able to catch up with. If you want to thrive in this new landscape, embracing these tools is essential. Want more AI tools that save time, money, and energy? Subscribe to Tools of the Future and stay one step ahead.